If in two different positions of a dice, the position of the common face be not the same, then the opposite face of the common face will be that which is not shown on any face in these two positions. This is rule number 4. Besides, the opposite faces of the remaining faces will not be the same. That's why I said third and fourth are hardly used, but I'll explain it in a separate video. Rule number 2 is very important. Okay, so generally 90% problems are on rule number 2 only. Okay, so answer is 5. Got it? Which of the following options will complete the pattern in the figure? This pattern, this is figure X, means question figure. Now which are the following? A, B, C and D is none of the above. Okay. So what you have to check over here is, see this short part. I think so. See here, A is definitely gone because there is not a straight line over here which is required in this. So A is gone. Now B and C only. Okay. In B and C, what is the case? See this. What is the difference between the two? Firstly, there is a minute difference of this arc. This arc. It is there in C. It is not there in B. Okay. Now check if there is an arc in the problem figure. Yes, there is. So C will be the answer. B won't be the answer. Right? So C is the answer. Remember, here observation is the only key. There is no other key. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.